What's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back. So first things first. Let's see. What's the question of the day? What could be the question of the day? Let's see. If you had what's your dream job, career, or business that you would like to own? Me, I never thought I'd own a car lot. I thought I would become a lawyer. That was my thing. I think I can still do it. I mean, I'm 29. You know, I'll turn 30 in like a couple days. I think I can still become a lawyer. That's what I always wanted to do. I always wanted to like study law and that type of like that. I always wanted to do that. I think I can still accomplish it. But yeah, let me drop that in the comments section below. So like the video before you do anything else. So we up in this 2007 Nissan Altima. We about to get some pictures taken. I picked this up at Oklahoma Auto Exchange. I picked it up for $400. I'm gonna sell it for $1,500. It didn't have a back bumper on there, so I didn't get y'all the video. It didn't have a back bumper on there. Didn't have that on there, and the paint was also a little bit faded and showing that it needs some gas. But you get some gas in a second, but I'll show you. So throw the back bumper on there, and then I just told him like the paint, like just throw some paint on there. Like there's nothing to have them clear colors, just basically just because like if you can tell like you really probably can't tell from like the pictures and stuff, but like it was like brown, like it was like kind of like faded, like it was a lot faded, like it was like that on the trunk too. So I just told him just throw some black paint on there, you know, just splash it with some black paint so it doesn't look as bad, you know. So that's what I told him to do, just splash it with some black paint, you know. Splash it with some black paint, make it look good, you know. I always try to do as much as I can without, you know, going too crazy, while still being able to make some good money. Yeah, it has a little like dent in there, but yeah, like if you can tell, like it's not like the best paint, like how Wilson, like if the car didn't have so many miles and all that, then, but as you can see, like all these scrapes and stuff. But and then I told her like it didn't have a back bumper, so I bought this bumper from Certifit. It was like what was it, $80. So then I bought some spark plugs and coils offline for $50. So I have about 550. I'll have about 550 in it, and I'll make it easy. Excuse me, it's a little cold today. It's already pretty clean. Clean it out, but it's 2007, and yes, it has 200,000+ miles on it. But the heat works, the AC works, the tires are good. Has an aux radio. I'm gonna put some new spark plugs and coils on there because like once you're driving and it heats up, like one of the coils I can tell that is like breaking down, and then I'm gonna wipe it. I'm gonna take it, you know, get the oil change. That's nothing. That's nothing. Oil changing. That's oil changing and topping off all the fluids. That's nothing. That's a little added expense. So I have about $550 into it, probably less than that. No, I'll probably have about that, because Wilson, then yeah, it'll be about I have about 600 in it, which is not bad. And like I said, I can sell it for 2,500, probably 20, 22, somewhere in there. I can make 1,600 bucks, but hey, if I make a quick 1,000, I'm okay. If I make a quick 1,000, I'm alright. If I make a quick 1,000, help somebody out on a car, you know, they get them a good deal. It's a win-win for me. I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy or nothing like that. But let me know in the comment section below what you'll sell it for. As 240, dang, a little bit. But that's the thing right now. All used cars are gonna have some high mileage at the moment. People really be speeding. So funny to me. People really be speeding. Like they be really on you. Like you'll drive and they be like right there on you, and like then wonder why they got into a wreck or accident or something. Like why are you so? I never understood that. I never understood that. Like when people speed up, like they see I'm making a turn and they're speeding up, like, oh, let's speed up. Like he's turning as well. He's turning, I'm coming down the street. Instead of just going into this other lane and just going straight, let's speed up and be right there on the back of him. But then once we speed all the way up, then we're gonna slow down too. I never understood that. But yeah, like I said, I'll sell this car, get 1,000, 1,100, 12, somewhere in there. Anything 1,000 plus, if $1,000+ on a profit on a cheap car, you really can't beat it. Yes, I could get more because yes, the car is 2007, which ain't really new. That's what, 16 years old. It's old, but it's a good looking car. Yes, I could get more money, but it's not that big of a deal. Make some money, make it up on the next one. I mean, the rule of the game is to make the most money out of cars, but it's also, my thing is also, like, I want to give people a good deal too. Like, I mean, not saying that it's the best of the deals, but because it's an old car with a lot of miles on it, but the car runs and drives good. I've already got the oil change and the fluids topped off, and I'm about to put brand new coils and spark plugs on it. I'm about to clean it up. That's more than what most people that do selling a car, that they'll end up selling the car for. Let's say if I end up selling it for $1,500, $1,600, that's more than, or even if I sold it for $2,000, that's more than the average person would do to a $2,000 car. You know, a lot of these dealers, they won't even clean the cars out. They won't even clean the car. Like me, like I don't care. If the car is older, I'll go get some hubcaps. I'll clean it out. I'm not gonna like pull a full on detail, you know, if it's like, but I'll clean it out where it's clean and clean. I'm not gonna like, oh, just make it look just right. Or if it's like stains I can't really get out, then I'll just throw some seat covers on there. Some of these dealers some even people, they'll just have it like stains in the seats and be wondering like, oh, well, my car not selling. Man, just clean it up, wipe the seats down. If it's really really dirty, get on Amazon, $30 seat covers. If it's got some steel wheels on it, spend another $20, $30 to get some hubcaps. $50, $60, transform the car completely. And you spend $60 to transform. Spend $60, then you clean it up, throw some engine shine on there. You transform the car really good for $50, $60 or whatever. $50, $60, $70 transfer, and that's gonna probably add $200 or $300. You're gonna probably make $200 or $300 extra dollars that you would have done just waiting to try to sell it as it. And it's gonna sell a lot quicker too because the car is nicer. It's like the car looks nicer. So, because what do? People buy off of looks. Like that's the first thing of what the car looks like. Like they're gonna mess you first about what the car looks like, and then they'll start answering all the other stuff like what's all wrong with it, blah blah blah. But a lot of times, if it looks good, then you know that's the main thing people worried about. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, you know, start all that rambling. I'm out. Peace.